Okay, in this video it's going to be real simple. It's probably going to be the last video for today, but what I'm going to cover is how to actually get work items to execute. In the last video I went over some of the thread basics, how the threading mechanism worked. Well, this is how to set up and execute your own work item within your own uh, engine module. So um, we're using the window to texture example that we were looking at earlier. And what we're doing is we're going to be utilizing this check window bitmap update work item to execute this overridden constructor using the actual thread queue, or thread pool rather. So I'm going to look at the source code here. If you remember, when the module initialization loop runs, this actually is executed. Here's where we create our thread pool. Well, here right below it, I've actually created a check window bitmap update work item. Real simple. New window texture map check window bitmap update work item, and then I just have a arbitrary parameter here. The parameter really doesn't matter. In the future, it will matter. This can actually be used to set items in the actual class itself. But all you have to do is queue them up, and then they should start executing automatically. I have a flush here because they don't execute automatically. They can actually queue, as you would imagine. So you can have 1 item, 2 item, 3 item, and then it'll go bam, bam, bam. Fleshing them just basically says don't do anything else until those items finish. So what I've done is I've set a breakpoint here on execute, so you can see that this is actually going to get executed. When we run it, it'll actually execute here and then sleep 10 seconds and then break here again and sleep 10 seconds. That's what it should do at least. But let's go ahead and run it. Okay, continue, 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 continue. Okay, here you see we're in execute. This is actually in the, which one is this? I don't know which thread pool this is. Darn it. I want to see what the full name is, but it's not showing it to me, and it's not highlighted here. It's one of these right here. So what I can do is I can continue it, and the application will continue to load. But remember, I have the 10-second timer, so after that goes off, the application should break again. Boop, there you go, 10 seconds. Now it'll go another 10 seconds. Oh, there's another 10 seconds. Continue. Play. Go. And then there's another 10 seconds. You see that works in that thread every 10 seconds. This breakpoint will activate because this is actually running in a loop. You can use this to actually create additional work items to run in the other threads that you have in the thread pool. So in this case, I have 5 threads created. I could use one thread for just this, and the other 4 threads for doing work if I wanted to. I mean, I could have it any configuration I really thought of. But yeah, this is simply how it's done. In this example, what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be utilizing the Windows APIs to get a handle to a global process list, and I'm actually going to iterate it, and I'm going to find each individual handle in that process list, and I'm going to actually use the print window API to get bitmaps of each of them. So how's that for cool? Once we do that, we can actually um, start generating the textures that we need to actually map to the internal files. But yeah, we're close. We're getting there. So I'm gonna stop this video. It's gonna be the last one for today, I think. But tomorrow, what we want to do is we want to try to use this loop right here to create our additional work items and get screenshots. But yeah, that's it.